Recording.
Is that going?
Yeah.
Come on then. This feels a bit strange, doesn't it? So look, these people are going down in their clothes and shoes.
You want to put your shoes back on? You can take them off when you get down there.
Yeah, but then I might have to carry them. Like, it's difficult to know, isn't
You
it?
just carry them to waterfall. And then take them off when you get to the waterfall, I guess.
Oh. Yeah, but I don't know if I need my hands to go up. Or how difficult it is to climb it. Sorry, this is hurting my feet. I'm going to have to go slow.
Ich weiß jetzt nichts, was die Teacher nicht wissen dürfen, ne? Aber
Yeah.
Can you go right down to the bottom?
I don't mind. What do you think?
Okay.
no, qua non ci penso proprio. Qua? Qua dobbiamo andare nello stesso. Allora no, sì.
Yeah, I don't think that we necessarily need to get wet. You just walk up it. Yeah.
Oh, I could have worn my clothes.
I mean, you could sit down in the water if you want. And take some pictures for a picture of. You probably will.
Do you really want this recording this whole time?
Yeah,
Everything done?
The whole thing. Well, it's got an hour and 15 minutes.
I know, but this bit's really boring.
Yeah, I know. But if someone's interested in seeing what the experience is, you just speed this bit up. So it looks like we're just going down there really quickly, but you can see how long it takes to get down to the bottom of the thing. may as well show the full experience. You know what I mean?
Yeah, fair enough.
Hey.
Oh.
Hey mate, wait there, can I get a picture of you on in front of this tree? So stop right there.
You bought a plastic thing.
No, you're right.
Oh good, it's a great shot. Look at me. Is it camera? Yeah, brilliant.
Yeah, right,
For a minute?
right on the.
You want to go up, not down there?
Maybe start there and make our way back down. That's what I'm assuming.
Oh, I assume that's the start of it because it's the bottom.
What's up there?
I don't know.
You're right. Okay.
I know.
Jesus.
I thought that as well. I was going to say to you. Look. And who smells like when they're naked? Well, you can't have the soundtrack on it anyway. Me complaining about my feet hurting.
He's been in water already. It looks like he's been in water.
Maybe from where that guy is smoking.
Right, okay.
Where that guy is smoking.
One. Right, I'll do this one first.
Okay.
If you go ahead, it's 10 seconds, you'll be doing 100 times. Wait till the others is on it.
Oh, nice one, yeah. Yeah, don't do that me. Thank you yourself.
It's bizarre, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can I take this GoPro off?
Huh?
Or do you want it in the photos?
I can take it.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
So we can see you.
No, I just meant, do you want the selfie without the GoPro?
Does it matter?
Alright.
You want to sit down at the top there? I'll take a picture of you.
Okay.
Sticky Waterfall. No, I'm not watching.
Yeah.
Sitting up there. Wait till we got back to shot.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? You just keep walking up the waterfall then.
Guess so, yeah.